Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Decided to do a wee break for the norm. Usually I'm making videos on the motorbike, but Scottish weather this year has dictated that I've not had much of a chance to get out on the bike, so I thought you might find it interesting. A couple of wee runs on the bike and the truck, sorry. I'll get particularly interesting in winter time when we're going to the farms. Today, I'll just close the sunroof to cancel out some of that noise. Today we're going to a farm from Dundee. We got a container this morning at 5 o'clock from Grangemouth Docks. Been driving for an hour and a half to get to where we are now. We're just outside Dundee, so I'm just going to do a wee video going up the Kingsway in Dundee, and then when I turn into the farmer's farm I'll cut the video off because I don't know if you'll appreciate me.
People are very excited about it.
Filming in his farm, letting people know the layout of the land. Not quite sure what we've got on. It's only a 20-foot container we've got in the trailer. It's heavy, very heavy, so not quite sure what it is. I think we're running about 40 tonne, maybe up to 44 tonne. But when we're at the weight we're at, you can certainly feel it. You can tell the weight's awful high up in the container, so just need to be mindful of that, going round the roundabouts and stuff. Don't talk over. Will make for good viewing, right enough, but obviously it's not ideal. So we're 3 miles, just under 3 miles outside Dundee. We're doing a lot of roadworks in the first roundabout just as you join the Kingsway. One of the vans speed up, get out in front of me. Good man. Slip road. A lot of people coming up slip roads looking at their phones or diddling about 20 mile an hour and then look at the last second and discover there's a lorry right next to them. Anyway, I'll not say much because I hate the sound of my own voice. But it's quite a nice morning, as you can see. The sun's shining. Relatively blue skies. So, see what it's like going up the Kingsway. It's starting to get busy at this time of the day. That rattle, but it drives me crazy. It's a mirror on the passenger door looking down at the ground, looking down at the near side front wheel. They all seem to get damaged in the lot because the lorries park so close to one another, so when people open their doors they hit that mirror. Whatever it does to them, it causes them to rattle. We're in a 2023 MAN TGX 470, so it's like 470 horsepower, which is about average for a lorry. I was down here last week. Roadblocks on the roundabout took away the embankment, or the verge, should I say. It's just a sheer drop off the road. It's really quite tight. try not to let the back wheels get in there, the back wheels of the trailer, because it'll just drag us right over. Again, make for a good view, but that's not the idea, not the game plan. Actually bulked it up a little bit, they're widening it, which is a good thing. It's still very tight up, trying not to hit the cones. The vehicle's in at the right hand side, the back wheels are clipping the cones. There's not much I can do about that. Nope, just wait a second. Just waiting on people who don't indicate roundabouts. The other thing this truck sometimes does is it jams itself in manual, so over revs. Trying to get ourselves bumpity 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 bump. So we've been so quite so heavy. It's going to take us a while to get off this hill. A grand speed of 34 mile an hour. Still at 34. This roundabout can be really quite tight, this next wee bit here, depending on what traffic you've got round about. So we've got a car up on your side and a car on a wee van up our off side. A lot of drivers are quite good with these a bit of space, but at the same time a lot aren't, don't think about it. Two kind of bigger open style vans up the right hand side. The guy at the back there is sloping back. Good man, thank you very much. Let's take it as wide as we can. Put my window down here, have a wee wave. Oh, he's turned again a little bit. That's why he was sloping back. Again, we're in a 50 here, but chances of getting to that any time soon are quite slim. Sun visors are never quite long enough. like a kangaroo coming into that junction. Back in again. She's obviously carrying a heavy load, struggling to get up the hill, more so than us. Nobody on this near side, I usually like just to take a wee bit of that lane. The sun's right in my eyes, but I'm not complaining. I don't see it enough. Nobody on the inside, so I'm just going to take a wee bit of that lane. There'll be the cars on the outside, a bit more spaced. Major route. This is a major route to kind of Aberdeen, Petershead, and all that, up the east coast of Scotland. So you can turn off to the left up here to take that route. If you go straight through, you come this way. So we're going into this loop. We're going to cars jumping out there trying to get back in again. Try to skip the queue, I think that's what this wee Clio's doing. I think, might be wrong. Trying to get back in that lane again. I don't know how good the camera quality is. You can see there, the bridge in our growth. That's where we're heading for, but not quite as far. Well, time to go. Slowly catch the monkey, as they say. More roundabouts, and none of them are really designed with trucks in mind. Cars always see it as an opportunity to get by a truck, or usually see it as not as you said. This makes life quite difficult. Aye, on you go. Why not? See that way, that curb coming out there, so it's stupid. Quite lucky with the traffic runabouts. Maybe we take a wee bit more than our lane, which is needed. I do like the Kingsway, the trees. Just to the side of the road. Turn only lane, so again, it's quite handy. You can use that, use some of it at least. Makes life a wee bit easier. Well, bumpy. Yeah, just trying to pick up as much space as we can get away with here. best day for weather-wise we've had for quite a while. It's just been pouring